Hi everyone. Welcome to today's podcast for English listening practice. I'm your host, and today we'll explore a short story about Emily, a young professional living in New York City. Listen carefully as I describe her day. After the story, I'll ask a few questions to test your understanding. Let's get started. Emily's alarm clock buzzed sharply at 6:30 a.m. She stretched her arms and reluctantly got out of bed. The sky outside her apartment window was still a pale shade of gray, but Emily could already hear the distant hum of cars and the occasional bark of a dog. After a quick shower, she made her usual breakfast, toast with avocado and a cup of black coffee. As she ate, she checked her emails and planned her tasks for the day. Emily worked as a graphic designer for a marketing firm, and today was a big day. She had a presentation scheduled with a major client. At 8 a.m., she grabbed her laptop bag, slipped on her coat, and headed out. The air was crisp, and the streets were busy. She took the subway to her office, enjoying the quiet time to read her favorite novel on her phone. By 9 a.m., Emily was at her desk, preparing for her presentation. She reviewed her slides, made some last-minute edits, and practiced her pitch. At 11 a.m., it was showtime. Emily entered the meeting room, greeted the clients, and delivered her presentation confidently. The clients nodded in agreement and asked thoughtful questions, which Emily answered skillfully. By the end of the meeting, they looked impressed. Feeling relieved and accomplished, Emily decided to treat herself to lunch at a small cafe near her office. She ordered a fresh salad and a slice of chocolate cake, enjoying the break. The afternoon was quieter. Emily worked on a few design projects, replied to emails, and had a brief team meeting. By 5:30 p.m., it was time to head home. Back at her apartment, Emily changed into comfortable clothes and decided to unwind with some yoga. Afterward, she cooked a simple dinner, pasta with vegetables, and called her best friend to catch up. As the day came to an end, Emily curled up on her couch with her novel. She reflected on her productive day and felt grateful for the little victories. By 10:30 p.m., she was fast asleep, ready to take on another day. Now, let's see how much you remember. I'll ask a few questions. Feel free to pause the video after each question to think about your answer. What time did Emily wake up? What did she have for breakfast? How did Emily get to work? What type of job does Emily have? How did she feel after her presentation? What did Emily do to relax in the evening? Great job! How many answers did you get right? Don't worry if you missed a few. Listening practice takes time. You can replay the story to catch any details you might have missed. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. I hope you enjoyed Emily's story and found it helpful for improving your English listening skills. Remember, regular practice is key to fluency. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more English practice content. See you next time.